Welcome to Golden Life Wellness. Today, we are going to explore a gentle but powerful approach to strength training designed especially for seniors. Many people think strength training requires heavy weights and strenuous workouts. But the truth is, building strength without strain is not only possible, it is highly beneficial for your overall health and independence. First, let us talk about why strength matters. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken, and this can affect balance, mobility, and even confidence. But by using light weights and controlled movements, you can safely strengthen your muscles, protect your joints, and enhance your daily life. You do not need to lift heavy dumbbells or spend hours in a gym. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Before we start, always remember to warm up. Gentle stretching and slow joint rotations prepare your muscles and prevent injuries. Start with shoulder rolls, wrist circles, and ankle rotations. Take deep breaths and move at your own pace. Remember, it is about quality, not quantity. Now, let's move to some simple exercises using light weights or household items like water bottles. Begin with bicep curls. Stand or sit comfortably, hold your weights with palms facing forward, and slowly lift them towards your shoulders. Lower them gently and repeat. Focus on smooth movements and controlled breathing. You should feel your muscles working, but no strain or pain. Next, we have lateral raises. Hold your weights at your sides, gently lift your arms to shoulder height, and lower slowly. This helps strengthen your shoulders and upper back, supporting better posture and reducing the risk of falls. Another effective exercise is seated leg extensions. Sit in a sturdy chair, lift one leg at a time until it is straight. Hold for a moment, then lower. This targets your quadriceps and helps with knee stability, making walking, climbing stairs, and standing easier. Do not forget about your core. A strong core improves balance and reduces back discomfort. You can try seated torso twists. Sit tall, hold your hands together at chest level, gently twist to one side, then the other. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Consistency is key. Perform these exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Progress slowly. If you feel strong enough, increase the repetitions before adding more weight. Listen to your body and celebrate every small achievement. Remember, every lift, every stretch, every twist contributes to a healthier, stronger you. Alongside exercise, proper nutrition supports muscle growth and recovery. Protein-rich foods, fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water are essential. Rest is equally important. Give your body time to recover and rebuild strength. Finally, strength training is not just about muscles. It is about confidence, independence, and joy. Feeling stronger allows you to do the things you love, maintain your freedom, and embrace life fully. It is never too late to start. Take a deep breath, pick up your light weights, and move toward a stronger, more vibrant you. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey toward better health and wellness, please subscribe to Golden Life Wellness. Your strength and well-being matter, and we are here to support you every step of the way.